Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I am doing a face mask and an unboxings video. I have not done one in such a long time, and IBY Beauty sent me some of their Lush eyeshadows, so I thought I'd unbox them and swatch them for you guys and do a face mask, because again, I haven't done any face masks and unboxings in a long time. So if you guys want to see what eyeshadows I got, then keep watching. As always, the face mask that I'm using will be linked down below if you are interested. So let's open up these eyeshadows. As you can see, IBY Beauty really packages their eyeshadows nicely and just everything super nicely. So they sent over 5, and all of these are from different palettes. So we have 2 from Sunday Brunch, 1 from Super Bloom, 1 from Poolside, and 1 from Enlighten. These are all, hold on, I have it on my phone. These are all $5, but if you use my coupon code, and you can get 25% off using my coupon code Kristen25, you will get these for $3.75, which is an absolute steal. So all of IBY Beauty's eyeshadows are super pigmented, they're buttery. I've had some of their palettes in the past and definitely agree, they're pigmented, buttery, they're so easy to work with, and they're all made with rosehip seed oil, which helps protect the skin. First shade I'm starting off with is from the Enlighten palette, and this is the shade Vortex. This looks like the perfect like blending shade. So let's see. That is Vortex. And 1 swipe. Really nice color. Next up is No Running, and this is from the Poolside palette. This is a really pretty like purple shimmer. Ooh, that's fun for summertime, spring and summer. Third is Painted Lady, and this looks like it's from the Super Bloom palette. This looks like a really like pretty corally kind of shade. Well, that's pretty too. Fourth, we have Cinnamon Roll, and this is from the Sunday Brunch palette. This looks like a really pretty neutral shimmery shade, like perfect for your bronzy looks. This and Vortex, hear me out. This and Vortex could be like your best dynamic duo. And the last and 5th shade is also from the Sunday Brunch palette, and it is Dessert First. This also looks like it is going to be another favorite shade for me because I love shades like this. Oh my god, that is stunning. This and Vortex, and you can mix Cinnamon Roll, that'd be a gorgeous eye look. Okay, so here are all of the shades swatched. You have Vortex, No Running, Painted Lady, Cinnamon Roll, and Dessert First. I think all of these are really gorgeous shades, and I cannot wait to use them. They're, like I said, so buttery, so creamy, so easy to use. I've used their palettes before and I really did like them. I think you guys should definitely check these out. Like I said, they're only $5, and with my coupon code they're only $3.75, so you cannot beat that price. Everything will be linked down below if you guys are interested in checking IBY Beauty out. Again, my coupon code is Kristen25. I do not get anything if you guys use my coupon code. I am just greatly appreciative that you guys use my coupon code if you do. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. Let me know if you want any specific videos from me. I love getting video suggestions, and that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.